Foreshadow, meaning usage and common mistakes. Imagine you're reading a novel, and in the first chapter, the author mentions a character absent-mindedly playing with a gun. Several chapters later, that same gun becomes central to the plot. This subtle hint is an example of foreshadowing the word we'll explore in depth today. Word type. Foreshadow is primarily used as a verb, meaning to foreshadow means to indicate or suggest beforehand, to give a warning or indication of a future event. Word history. The term foreshadow originated in the mid-17th century. It combines the prefix fore, meaning before or in advance, with shadow. This composition beautifully captures the essence of the word, suggesting a shadow cast ahead of time, much like how events cast their influence before they occur. Antonyms. Some antonyms for foreshadow include conceal, hide, and obscure. While foreshadowing hints at future events, these words do the opposite by keeping information hidden. Synonyms. Synonyms for foreshadow include presage, portend, augur, and herald. These words all convey the idea of indicating or signaling something that is yet to come. Examples used in sentences. The dark clouds on the horizon foreshadowed the approaching storm. In retrospect, his frequent absences from work foreshadowed his eventual resignation. The author skillfully foreshadowed the plot twist through subtle clues throughout the novel. Economic indicators often foreshadow future market trends, allowing investors to make informed decisions. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing foreshadow with forecast. While both relate to future events, forecast specifically means to predict or estimate future events based on present data. Foreshadow, on the other hand, implies giving a hint or warning of a future event, often in a more subtle or indirect manner. Another error is using foreshadow in the wrong tense. Remember, foreshadowing occurs before the main event. So you would say the early symptoms foreshadowed the onset of the illness, not the illness foreshadowed the early symptoms. Mastering the use of foreshadow can significantly enhance your writing and speaking skills for the IELTS exam. It allows you to discuss complex ideas about prediction, literature, and cause, and affect relationships with precision. Practice using this word in various contexts to fully incorporate it into your active vocabulary.